Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $427 that I plan on putting into my envelopes and some savings challenges. So I'm just going to figure out the amounts that are going into each, and then that way I can go to the bank and get the correct denominations and then stuff it all for this week. So I already figured out my wallet because I always figure that out. It's kind of the same thing every time. But I have a total of $170 that's going in my wallet. That is spending, which will get $30 this week. I actually spent quite a bit this week. Sometimes I'm a little bit better about not spending, but I mean, this is what the money's for. It's for here to spend, but then if I don't spend it, you know, I just put it into savings, which is nice. But I do have spending, which is going to get $30 this week. Eating out is going to get $30 this week again. Groceries is going to get $80, coffee $20, and buffer is going to get $10. I actually didn't really use too much of this. I don't think I did. I think I let my coworker borrow $3 because we have a lady that comes in her van and sells burritos out of the back of the van, and they're like breakfast kind of burritos. So she always comes to our work in the morning around like 9:30. That's usually when the guys have their first break. And we need cash though to pay her because she doesn't take anything but cash. So my coworker needed $3, $2. I think she needed $3. The burritos are like $2.50 each. So I gave her $3, but she Venmo'd me $3 back, but I actually haven't even transferred the Venmo over. But yeah, other than that, I haven't really spent that money, but that's just my explanation of, for some reason, my buffer, why I don't have it all in there, which I'm going to go over in the cash stuffing video. Okay, so $427 is what I'm working with. So I'm going to take $170 away from that, and then I'm going to go into my envelopes or my binders. So this week I don't have as much as I've had in previous weeks, and so a lot of these envelopes are going to get about like $5 each, for envelopes that aren't huge priorities, that I can just put a little bit, because you know, adding $5 a week definitely adds up, especially with some of these envelopes where I don't really spend from them too often. So like in a couple of months, then I'll have like a pretty good amount if I just do that. Basically a little goes a long way, which is nice. All right, so beauty, I have 26. I actually want to buy a couple of things, so I'm gonna put $10 in here. It's gonna, because that one's a little bit of a bigger priority than other envelopes. Clothing, I have 70. I'm just gonna put 5 in here. 5. Okay, content. Okay, that one's gonna get 5 too. Costco's gonna get 5 because I'm gonna put leftover money from groceries, which I think I have $5 left, so that'll bump it up to 10 basically, which is nice. Disney. Now Disney, I am going to Disney actually tomorrow, so I want to add a little bit more. I have 44 in here, which is good. Oh, I don't have to pay for parking anymore, which I'm very excited about because I upgraded my pass, so now I get free parking at Disney, so that'll save me each trip $17.50 for parking, so that's really good. So this money I plan on spending on, like, I plan on getting a little pin, because I always get an enamel pin when I go to Disney, and I have a little pin board, and I put that on there. I think that's about it, though. I really don't, I don't think there's anything else. I don't know. We'll see. Something always catches my eye, so we'll see. But Disney's going to get 15, because I have 44 so far, but, you know. Oh, they have new food. That's what it is. They're having like a Pixar Fest right now, and there's some new like Pixar food. So I might try a couple things from that. Family, I'm not hanging out with my family this weekend, so 5 is good for that. Fun. Okay, I am taking fun with me tomorrow too because I'm meeting up with a couple of friends. I'm gonna put 10. And we're gonna go out to eat in downtown Disney. So I like to, whenever I go to like a sit down restaurant, I like to use fun for that because, you know, it's a little bit more expensive, and then I can, you know, that's kind of my thing, like that's my type of fun, is going out to eat food and, you know, trying new things. And I love food, so I'm good with it. I'm not picky, so I'm good with anything. I think the only thing I won't eat, it's funny because me and my siblings have the same thing that we don't like, and it's papaya, because we all had the same experience with it one time, and we all don't like it because of that experience. So yeah, papaya is like the only thing I won't eat, but everything else I'll eat. I'll eat all kinds of things. But yeah, so I like to try new food. Gifts this week is gonna get 5. I have a feeling I messed up here though, but I'm gonna double check myself, so it's okay. Hobbies is gonna get 5 as well. Holiday decor, yeah, these are not huge priorities, so these are just gonna get 5. Home decor, I have quite a bit in here, so we're just gonna do 5. Household, I think I have quite a bit in here too. I have 71, yeah, so this one's just gonna get 5. Household, I think I got a question about household and home. So how I, like which one's what. So household is for things like cleaning supplies for the house, paper goods for the house, like toilet paper or paper towels, also detergent, laundry stuff. So that's what I use household for. But home decor, which is going to be home basically, is anything for the home. Like kitchen gadgets, kitchen items, decor items, yeah, all that other kind of stuff. More of the fun, pretty stuff. And then this is just like the cleaning kind of things. So that's what I use household for. Okay, and then Target is going to get, I only have $5 in Target. That's gonna get 5. It's not a huge priority. Okay, so I'm just gonna double check myself because I feel like I probably messed up somewhere. So we're just gonna double check. I feel like when I talk, that's when I mess up. So 5, 10, 15, another 15, 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, I didn't mess up. Well, that's good to know. Okay, cool. So that's 172 left. Ooh, you know what? I was going to go into the black binder, but I think I'm going to go into the savings binder next because I have a savings challenge that I need to roll for because I have this little power-up one right here. So let me get my dice and all the things. Okay. So, got sticky note, dice. So I'm going to roll first to see how many rolls I'm going to do this week, and then I will roll to see how much I'm stuffing. Okay, so, oh geez, I'm rolling 5 times, which is a scary number for this least amount, like this little amount of money that I have left. So, but that's okay. We're going to do it. So 4 and 5. So I'm going to go 4 and 5, 4 and 5, wait, 4 and 5. Is a star. Okay, so we're starting off with $1. Not bad. 4 and 2. So 4 and 2, it's another $1. Okay, that's good. 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Ooh, I got a mushroom. That's $5. Okay, next is 4 and 5. 4 and 5, which is a star. Okay, one more roll. Okay, this isn't as bad as I thought. 1, 1 and 5. Okay, perfect. That's another 1. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9 is going into this challenge. So I'm just gonna write that here. Power up 9. Cool. So that is it for that one. Just put this on here to remind myself how much that one is. All right, and then since I'm here already, I'm just going to figure out Go Wild. So Go Wild, I think this week I'm going to do, I have 105. I'm gonna do 15. Oh, and I didn't subtract 9. Okay, so 148, perfect. And then I will come back to this binder once I finish this one. Okay, come back to this one, to the savings. So whatever I have left over, I'll be able to put into savings. All right, so auto repair. I'm just gonna put 5. I have a good amount in here so far, so I think we're good. This is Christmas. This one's gonna get 5. Electronics, I'm actually gonna put 10 in here. Emergency, okay, emergency is gonna get 20. I have 1890, okay, I have 20. Extra debt's also gonna get 20. Cool. Oh, and I don't have any debt left over. I'm just paying myself back for paying off my debt. Just putting it back into savings, basically, which is nice. Furniture is getting 5. Rainy day. I'm actually put 10 here. Registration is just gonna get 5. Road trip, I have 90. Actually, that's a pretty good amount because usually when I go, like to go to Disney, I will take money out of here to put in my bank for gas. And if I put 35, at least with the prices that they are, the gas is right now, if I do 35, that's enough to get me to Disney and back. So 35, and I have 90, so that's more than enough. Scentsy is gonna get 5. Subscriptions, I actually want to put 10 in subscriptions. Okay, and then treat yourself. I want to treat myself a little bit more this week, so I'm gonna put 15. Yes, very nice. I feel like I hope I didn't mess up. I always worry that I miscalculated. All right, so I have $33 left, and I still have a couple of savings challenges that I want to kind of plan ahead for. So I have this little pig one right here. That's a $10 savings challenge. So I'm gonna put $10 here. I'm just gonna do $10 in here. And then I have this $5 one. I'm just gonna do $5 in here. I'm left with $18, so I'm just gonna leave, I'm just gonna do 18. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, I kind of want to double check this though, just to make sure I'm correct. Okay, I'm just gonna add this all up. So 10, 5, 10, 15. Because once I get to this other part, I don't want to mess up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Then I have a 10, 40, 5, 10, 5, and 10, 10, and 15, 15, 9, 10, 5, and 18. Okay, perfect. 427. So we are good. So now I can do the little tallies now to see how much like which denominations I'm going to be asking for at the bank. So beauty is just gonna get a 10, lots of 5s here. So well, a few 5s, and then Disney's 15, so that's 10 and a 5. Family is 5, 10. Okay, here I have a bunch of 5s. So I'm just gonna go down the line. I think that's right, yeah. And then 10, 20, 20, 5, 10, 5, and then 10, 15, another 15. This one's 9, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I need a $10 bill for the $10 challenge, a $5 bill for the 5 one, and 18 ones. Okay, that should be right. So now I'm going to count the tally. So 50s I have 1, 20s 3, 4, 5, 10s 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10s, 5s 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And ones 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 27. Okay, so just making sure. Okay, that's 50. 5 20s is 100. 14 10s is 140. 22 5s is 110. And 27 ones is 27. Okay, let me just make sure that adds up correctly. And then we should be good. So 50, 100, 140, 110, and 27. 427. Perfect. Okay, so let me get my little sticky note. So let me write this out. $50. I'm going to ask for 1. It's a total of 50. $20. I'm going to ask for 5 of those. That's $100. 10s. I need 14. That's $140. 5s. I need 22, and that's a total of 110. And 1s, I need 27, and that's a total of $27 for a grand total of $427. Okay, so this is what I'm going to take with me to the bank and ask the teller for these denominations. Just going to stick it in here. And that is it for this cash planning video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. It really means a lot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do put out content every single day over here on my channel. So definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested in seeing more. And I will see you in the next video.